is Hong Kong in 2026. So, where exactly business owners should move? Ideally, this question came up during April and March during this year because a lot of people, a lot of business owners around the world had already started to think of moving from UAE to Singapore and Hong Kong or Malaysia for that matter. So today I want to discuss about this unbiasedly that what exactly is the destination, the right destination for business owners in 2026. All purely depending on the numbers and the factual data, and we'll discuss about where exactly you can grow your business from 2026 onwards. So let's say first of all, if you choose your base any of these cities or countries, what exactly these cities or countries stand for. So if I speak about Dubai, it's built for trade, services, real estate, tourism. Who are the people who come here? Middle East, Indians, Africans, Europeans. What are the dominant industries in these cities? So, if I speak about Dubai, consulting, banking, setup, logistics. It's best for services business, trading, and consultancies. And I have put a row for Indian founders as well because a lot of Indians expand out of UAE, out of India to UAE and Singapore and Hong Kong. So, what is the founder fit for Dubai? I think it's high. Now, if I speak about Singapore, it's built for finance mainly, deep tech, Asian, South Asian trade. If you want to target those countries, then that is the city you should open your company in. Who comes here? Southeast Asia nationals, Australians, and global tech players as well. What are the dominant industries in Singapore? Again, fintech, deep tech, and Asian distribution. So if you are setting up your company for the in these of industries, fintech, deep tech, or Asian distribution, that Singapore is ideal destination. What is it best for? Tech startups, again, Asian expansion. What is the Indian founder fit? I believe it's medium level. Now, when it comes to Hong Kong, we it is very well known that all the companies in Hong Kong are majorly Chinese facing. So if your market is China, or you are coming out of China to open your offshore company but still belong to China, Hong Kong is your market. If you're in finance related to China, Hong Kong is your market. Who are the people come there? Chinese, Japanese, Koreans, and global finance. What are the dominant industries? Asset management, trading, and Chinese related entries. If you want to enter Chinese market through Hong Kong, then this is the best market to open your company. What is it best for? Again, Chinese facing businesses, finance. For Indian founder fit, it's very, very, very low. Now, these are three world class cities but very different business ecosystems. The right choice depends entirely what is your business actually doing and what is your current business level. So if I speak about Dubai, it's for everyone. If you are starting up, if you want to scale, if you are in trading, service, real estate, tourism, this is your market. If you want to do something in deep tech and finance and you want to scale and list your company, you have that maturity, you are a very veteran in your business, then Singapore is your ideal market. Hong Kong is only when you have something related to China, then it is a suitable market for you, or you have related to trade. A lot of trading companies operate from there, but again, very thin linings between Singapore and Hong Kong. If an Indian founder or any other business owner has to choose, he would ideally go to Singapore. So this is the differentiation between the cities. Now let's see and ask a question to ourselves: when does Dubai win Singapore and when Hong Kong? So if your clients are in India, Middle East, or Africa, GCC alone is a 2 trillion economy, 2 hours away from Dubai. Then you have the whole Middle East and Africa as well. India UAE is one of the most active corridors in the world. Africa increasingly transacts with Dubai, especially East Africa. right time zone for all these three markets simultaneously. So if your market is India, Middle East, Africa, GCC, then Dubai wins. If your market is Asian, which is Australia, Singapore, nearby countries, regulatory of Singapore will open your doors for Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam also. So if this is your market, then Singapore wins. Now Hong Kong, when your client is in China or Northeast Asia, because the physical proximity to Shenzhen, which is world's manufacturing capital, historical relationship with Chinese business families is your gateway for your business towards genuine China market access. Then Hong Kong is your country to open the business. Now, if we have to summary up, I would say if your clients are everywhere, Dubai is still on the top because it's a central time zone. 250 times from Dubai within 6 to 8 hours of journey. Middle East Africa covers the market for Dubai business. So if your clients are everywhere, Dubai wins in terms of taxation and geographies near UAE. If we have to see in terms of population as well, the numbers tell the story very, very clearly. 3.5 million Indians living in the UAE, followed by Pakistani, followed by other nationality. So even if you're accountant, lawyer, vendor, investor, chances are they will be out of these nationalities only. Hindi is spoken everywhere, walk into any meeting. Now, decades of Indian success stories, proven playbook already exists. So, if your target market is Asian, Indian, Pakistani, and followed by it, then Dubai wins. If you compare it with Singapore, 350,000 Indians. If you compare it with Hong Kong, 30,000 Indians. So requires significant size of target market, then also Dubai wins. This is very important because again, in the domestic, in the country itself, you will be able to scale enough. Now, this is by Jim Rogers, a co-founder of Quantum Fund. Geography is destiny is destiny in business. Go where the opportunity is, not where it used to be. So, this is a very veteran co-founder, Jim Rogers from Quantum Fund, who's again proving that geographies matter a lot for your business to scale. And UAE, Dubai, by far, in terms of ease of doing business, easy entry to the market, has proven since past decades that it is the best market to start, operate, and scale. No, now again, the honest verdict is there is no one size fits all, but for most founders, business owners, Dubai wins by a high margin considering the geography, the taxation benefits, and the ease of doing business. But still, if you're looking that innovation has which helps you with deep tech and fundings. Hong Kong, when you have to again entry into the Chinese market, financial services of Chinese, trading related to China, manufacturing related to China, then Hong Kong by far is the best market for any business owner. So don't follow the trend, follow what the market says, what the market is known for. So, with this, we end our today's live session. Don't choose the city just because of the tax decision. Choose it because of the market decision, network, and the lifestyle which you are looking for yourself. So, if you want to know more about related to any of these cities or setting up in UAE, you can message me on my LinkedIn profile or this will be live on YouTube as well. Thank you so much for joining.